Welcome back, Oragi News Prabhu. Today Tuesday din Peace Channel Dimapur International Day of Peace commemorate kurigina 14 Peace Neat Fest cum Foundation Day manaishi Don Bosco Campus Dimapur Day. Aji 14th Peace Neat Fest Day Reverend Father O.C. Abraham ke Peace Award 2021 dishe humanitarian cause nimide tai laga jivan dedicate kurigina garib manuge modot kuriya free education or social services tya nimide. Idu program de interfaith meet pi thagigina religious organization laga roles or perspectives can be share kurushe peace or harmony promote kurubole nimide.
Peace for me is a means by which a nation can transform from a underdeveloped to that developed nation. And in fact, peace is the gateway of freedom. And if we are getting peace in our mind and in the society, then we can do the wonders. There is a need for citizens to decide a set of united values that they will live by and nurture for the next generation. As Mother Teresa has said, that peace and war begins at home. If we are giving proper values, proper sanskars to our children, then we can ensure peace in the society. I would be worth mentioning here the invaluable efforts done by the Peace Channel in bringing peace all around the world and especially in the Northeast India. And I wish a very bright future for Peace Channel.
Peace Channel has been working in promoting peace last 15 years. And we have nearly 7 areas of approach in peace building. First one is we are promoting peace through children. And forming them into the clubs, in the schools and the communities, and capacitating them in problem solving skill and other skills in resolving conflicts, and also enabling them to be the leaders and developing confidence for softer skills. And we found it is a successful story, and many young boys and girls have been growing as leaders. Then the second level, we have got the peace peer mediation group that is in the colleges and the universities, and also now we started in the communities. That is youth getting involved in peace promotion programs. They are mainly capacitated on peer mediation, and they intervene and also prevent conflicts in the communities and among the peers. Then the third one is the most important thing, that is community leaders that we are working with. And women and elders are capacitated to prevent and also intervene conflict situations. So every year we promote 50 young cadets of peace builders who are sound with their theories, concept and practicum, who will be educating others to live in peace and promote peace and stand for peace. Much more than that, capacitating the children, we found that they are going to be the foreigners of peace in the days to come, and they are doing a great job in the family level, institution level and the community level. And after 10 years, that is our vision, by 2030 Nagaland should be a model state, capacitating the school children and the youth working together and creating a new environment, new culture, new thinking, new processing called peace.